Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting our operate integration series. In this video I will explain why we need it, what problem it solves, and how can we implement it step by step. So stay with me and let's discuss everything in today's video. So first of all we have a operate integration is operate integration is a process that help us to connect different part of our system. So user can access features smoothly without an issue. And why we need it? Basically project grow, we face issues like slow responses, inconsistent data, and difficulty managing user related operation. So all the things we have like a integration help us to fix these changes by bringing everything together in a clean and efficient way. So we have a like a Uber Eats. This is a testing store we have like a Uber Eats food and grocery. So we are going for the Uber Eats official documentation. Okay, so you need to visit here like https://developer.uber.com. Okay, so here we have Uber Eats Marketplace API and what can we build? Marketplace API overview, documentation guide, integration path, and stay updated. And before you start getting started and all the things we have, so we are reading out like a step by step. So what was the overview we have? The Uber Marketplace API enable partner to programmatically manage store, menu, and order on the Uber platform, build integration that automate order processing, synchronize menu in real time, and managing store operation at scale. Okay, so that's a way we can programmatically uh, all the thing we can automate thing we can integrate in our store like menus, orders, platform. If suppose we have a multiple store, so we can build it easy way. So we have a suppose what can we build? POS integration we have like a connect your POS system to automatically synchronize menu. Suppose you have a store and you have a need to integrate your POS product in your Uber Eats, so you need to sync menu you have, inject order we have, eliminate manual process. Okay, this is the most common and valuable integration path. Second one, we have a menu management system synchronization way like across platform with real-time update, pricing, availability, and new items for the menu section. And order management system, we have a like a automate order workflow from notification to fulfillment with a webhook and API endpoint. Include support for BYOC. It means bring your own courier delivery management. So in that case, like BYOC, you have a two delivery management. Like if you can go through on your own delivery, you can go that way. If you can take care like Uber it handle your delivery, so you don't need to go for that way like a BYOC way. Okay. So after that we have a like a multi-location management, scale operation across hundred of thousand restaurant location with enterprise grade API. Okay, like we have a thousand of restaurant for the multiple locations, so easy way to track down and all the thing like a synchronized way. So we have a like a next feature, we have a promotional campaign management, create, manage, and track promotion campaign, so drive customer engagement and sales. So basically this module is help us for the promotion things for our menu, so go that way. If we need to implement the discount and all the part, so we can implementing using the promotion. And coming for the marketplace API, Uber providers like integration, configuration, menu we have, store we have, order we have, promotion we have, and reporting. All the thing we have like what was the purpose we have like integration configuration for the purpose like a start onboarding and setup. And key use cases we have like a connect app to merchant location and manage integration. Coming for the menu, we can already discuss menu and item management, sync menu update and all the part. Store we have like a store operation, we need to set a store hour, manage online store status and all the thing we need to configure like what was the location we have, what was the name we have for the store. So all the information we can update for our store API thing. And coming for that like next API part like a order. accept, deny order, track fulfillment, handle cancellation, BYOC delivery management. All the information we are related to order, we can go that way. Promotion we had already discussed, like create campaign, manage offer, all the part managing here. And reporting, if we need to report something like a transaction report and performance metrics something, so we can using that kind of API. So for the next step, overhead providers like a documentation guide. Our comprehensive guide library cover every aspect of integration development. So in that way, we have a like a core API and advanced feature. Core we have a like a at getting started, complete setup and development workflow, auth 2.0 implementation and scope, and API specification like all the thing we have like a webhook part, menu, order and store. And advanced feature we have like this kind of live part, order state part and item customization. So we can cover up for the next videos for this part, like getting started, how can we integrate our store in our overhead application. Okay, for the next video we are complete that part, and after that we can coming for that part, like how can we create a token in the scope part. So integration path, it takes like overhead give us like some particular time period, like a full POS integration takes 4 to 8 weeks. Complete automation with real-time sync, order injection, promotional campaign, BYOC delivery management, and comprehensive workflow management meet all the production quality standard. If you are going for your store to production, so all the thing you need to verify first and go for that. For the reporting integration, it takes 2 to 4 weeks, like that. You can read out all the things here, and you need to check like we have a like a staying updated. The overhead marketplace API are actively developed with regular update and for the new feature. Basically overhead update like for our own API and sometimes. Okay, so need to, if you need to change what was the changes here coming, what was the versions we have, so we have a two-way. You can click here like a API change log and come click here as well. So suppose I'm just click here API change log. So like a 2025 10th of month and 22 of date. This is the order API adding pickup instruction. These are the changes like endpoint affected previous version accept order. It may be some keys are adding for the accept order response from the order. So like all the things like we are check here like what was the new things are coming for the like accept order for the previous request is not available this key, but for the new feature we have. Based on the user experience, overhead working on that part and go that way. So in the future like a multiple update are coming, so always go for that documentation first and go that way. And all the thing, this is the overview part. Okay, and we and talk about like integration maintenance. We have like a monitor the change log, the new feature that can enhance your integration, test version we have before production development. This is the important point, test version update in your staging environment. Before go to production, you need to test all the APIs in your own end, and then send one email to overhead team. So this is our like a testing store. So we are test all the API and all the thing working smoothly and working fine. So please go on the production. So overhead team is review your API and all the thing is everything's fine and response time also fine. So overhead go for the production for the next step. But before you need to test all the API and all the part using the test store. And before you start, review requirement, understand versioning and setup development. Create your developer account and review authentication. Read up about VI API versioning and quality and performance standard. For production requirement, 99% of injection success rate required. Basically overhead providers like that. And API versioning, it may be two types. We are just check. Okay, right now is giving like a 404. Maybe we are not able to access that one, but I'm just telling you like a 1.0 is the latest version for the overhead API. So every time you are go for the API integration, go for the 1.0. This is the latest version. And for the next video, we are create the developer account, okay, and send one email to our team, so get the scope and all the part. And getting started feature, we have ready to build a production quality integration. Getting started, this is the same thing: developer account setup, configuration, test or provisioning, authentication, end-to-end integration, production validation requirement. So this is the basic overview for the overit. Okay, so we can go for the next video. Okay, like how can we set up our developer account and all the thing. Okay, so please make sure you can review that documentation first. Okay, and understand that way. I'm already explained on the thing here. So if you like it, so like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question or enjoy this content, leave a comment below. Your feedback basically help me to create more videos for you. Okay, so next video we are create developer account from Uber Eats and go for the that way. Okay, thank you, bye bye. Let's talk about like a